This is an example of what your math quiz correction sheet should look like. So for problem number 1, I'm going to look at it and I'm going to say, all right, I should have used I put as my answer, 90. And the reason that I put 90 is because the mistake I made was I used 10 as my height instead of 8. That makes a right angle with 9. And so I'm going to show over here that I should have said A equals base times height, that my base was 9, and my height was 8, and that my A equals 72 centimeters squared. You must have all parts, what you put, the work from the video, and the mistake you made. If you need to use some blank space from over here, you can do that. This is how you earn full points back.